What? What's going on? This is a warning? What the going on? Your computer is locked. All your files have been encrypted. There is only one way to get them back. Click here if you want your computer back. I think I should click it. Find me and I will leave you alone. That thing said find me, so let's find it. And yes, I set it up, but if something was running on your computer without you knowing, there are 4 places it could hide and survive a restart. I'll show you all 4. But before we get into it, quick word from the sponsor, then we'll find that thing hiding on your PC. If you ever needed a Windows or Office key without paying full retail, this is where to look. KeysFan offered genuine keys at a fraction of the price, and they got a whole range. They got keys for Windows, Microsoft Office, bundles, and PC tools. And there's a summer sale running right now. You can use the code PCC52 for 52% off Windows products, and you can use PCC62 so you can get 62% off Office products. It's very easy to purchase. Click on whatever you want to buy. I'll choose Windows 11 Pro, and you just add to cart, view cart, and in this field enter a discount code. You'll just apply your code, and here you go, you have discount, and this case is 52% off. Then you click on proceed to checkout, and on the left side, once you fill out your information, you can actually go and place order. And now I would like to show you how easy it is to apply the code. Basically, you'll click on the start, go to settings, and then click on system, and you scroll down below, you'll see activation. Click on it, and here where you see change product key, you'll click on change, and you just type in or paste your code. And then you click next, click on activate. Windows is activated. And the other thing I like about KeysFan is you have 24/7 customer service, lifetime activation, secure checkout. You can use credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, and even more. And it's 100% genuine software license. And I will leave links down in the description. Check it out. All right, back to your PC and that thing we found running on it. So the first place anything can hide is the startup folder. This is the oldest trick there is. And anything you drop in this folder runs the second Windows loads. Now, let's see what's in mine. First, press Windows key plus R, type shell, semicolon, startup, and then press enter. And what do we see? Nothing. It's empty, and that's what yours should look like too. However, there is a second one. That first folder was just for me, and this one runs for every account on the computer, so we'll check both. Now, press Windows plus R again, and type shell, semicolon, common, space startup, then press enter, and well, it is also empty, which is good. But here's the thing though, this folder is the first place anyone looks, and that's exactly why nothing serious hides here anymore. It's too obvious. If something wanted to stay on your machine without you finding it, it picks somewhere you'd never think to open. So that's where we're going next. This next place is where it really gets real. It's called the run key, and it's in the registry. To get to it, press Windows plus R and type regedit, regedit, and then press enter. Anything listed here starts automatically when you log in, same as the startup folder, but hidden away where most people never look. And you need to know the task manager won't even show you all of it. Click on current user, then expand software, then expand Microsoft, then expand Windows, and then click on current version, and then click on run. And here is the list, but ignore the first one, the default, because that's always there and it's empty. Then here we got Edge, that's the browser. I mean, that one is fine. Then you have OneDrive, which is also fine. And this is what a normal list really looks like. Nothing here should scare you. Hold on, this is SVC host. That's a real Windows name, I know it is, but look where it's pointing. It's running out of your temp folder, and that's the folder Windows uses for junk. It's about to throw everything away. This is the part nobody explains. It's not the name that gives away the name is fake on purpose. It's copying something real. It's the location, actually. This thing is running out of the trash folder, pretending to be a system file. By the way, there's a tool that finds all of this in about 10 seconds, but you need to understand what is showing you first, so stick with me. So we found one. Usually people will stop here, delete it, feel good about it. But here's what they don't know. If you only delete that registry entry, it can come back. Now, press Windows plus R again and type task schedule. It's taskschd.msc and press enter. Something has to be putting in there, and that something lives in Task Scheduler. This is a list of jobs Windows runs on a schedule. Some run daily, some run when you log in. It's a useful and legitimate, but almost nobody ever opens it, which makes it a perfect hiding spot. Now, Edge, Update Tasks, we know that those are real. OneDrive is real. They are all named after software you recognize, they're all doing normal jobs. And then there it is again, SVC Host. The same name from the registry showing up in a completely different place. And look at this one. There's no description. Every real task above it has one. This one is blank. And the trigger at log on, it runs every single time you sign in. And when we check what actually runs, there's our temp folder again. It's the same file, same fake. It's in two places now. This is the part that matters. This is why people say, I deleted it and it came back. They killed the registry entry but left this. And this task just puts it right back on the next restart. You have to find both. And now you know where the second one lives. The last place is the worst one and is the reason you can't just trust what a process is called. See all these? Every single one that says service host, that's svchost.exe file, the same name that fake file in your temp folder was pretending to be. Windows run 15, approximately 20 of these at once. It's completely normal. I mean, this is real, but here's the part that should bother you. Each one of these is hosting services underneath it, and malware can register itself as a service that loads right inside one of these inside a real signed Windows process. So when you open Task Manager and check you see svchost.exe file, Microsoft signed, there's nothing wrong, except one of them is running something that was never supposed to be there. Now, do not start ending these. I mean it. Don't kill SVC host. Don't disable it. Don't touch it. It runs Windows itself. Stop the wrong one and your network drops, your system crashes, or it just reboots on you. We are not here to remove SVC host. This is the whole reason the name lies. The dangerous stuff hides inside the one process you can't safely turn off. So you never really go after SVC host directly, you go after what's loaded inside it, and you need a tool that can see that and check each piece against Microsoft, which is exactly where we're headed. It's a free tool, it's from Microsoft, and it does all four of these places at once. I will leave the link in the description. This is called Autoruns. It's free, it's made by Microsoft, and it does every place we just checked, all four of them, in one window. Startup folders, registry, schedule tasks, services, and more than that. Everything that starts with your computer in one list, which is also the problem. Now look at all this. Hundreds of entries. If I handed you this raw, you would know better off than scrolling services by hand. So watch what we do. Alright, so here in Option menu, when you click on Hide Microsoft Entries, this one strips out everything Microsoft signed and made, all the legitimate Windows stuff, and leaves only what's left. And now look, hundreds of entries down to this, and there it is in red and twice. Autoruns flags anything it can verify in red. Our fake SVC host in the registry and again in scheduled tasks, they're both red. They're both not verified. Every other thing left is signed by a real company. For example, VMware, Qualcomm, they're all verified. The fake is the one only unsigned thing on your machine, and it's got nowhere left to hide. But I want to explain you one thing. If you see yellow, that's a little bit different. Yellow means the entry point to a file that's already gone. It's leftover junk, usually harmless. Red is what you care about. Red means it's here, it's running, and Windows can't really verify it. So that's the whole thing. You don't really identify malware by staring at names and guessing. You let this hide everything Microsoft made, and whatever is left that you don't recognize and isn't signed, that's your suspect. One real thing, no tool is perfect. A signed file can still be bad. So if something feels wrong, a full antivirus scan is still the final word. Okay, so we found it, we understand it, now let's get rid of it. And this is the part where you have to be careful because this is where people do damage. Now, we start with the scheduled task, and there's a reason for the order. Remember, this task is what puts the registry entry back. So we kill it first. Now it cannot recreate anything. Then this next thing is a registry. Same run key we found earlier. We right-click on our fake SVC host, the value, not the folder around it, just this one line and delete it. and it's gone. Unless the file itself sitting in temp folder. Delete that and there's nothing left for anything to point at. And that's it. Task, registry, entry file, the three things working together, they're all gone. But here's the honest part. If you're not comfortable doing this by hand, really just don't do it. Autoruns lets you just untick the box instead of deleting that disables it, and you can turn it back on if you got it wrong. And if you found something real, something you didn't plant yourself, the smartest move isn't hand deleting anything. It's actually running a proper antivirus scan and letting it do the removal. So next time a Windows flash is on your screen and your stomach drops, like mine at the beginning, now you know where to look. 4 places and a tool that checks all of them in 10 seconds or antivirus program. If this helped, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.